Can we all agree it's time to? That is the first hook I want to teach you today. So for the next 30 days, I'm going to be giving you a tip a day on how you can open a talk in an engaging and impactful way. So the first one I want to teach you about today is the opening. Can we agree it's time to stop? ... That also works for videos, for lives, for audio tracks as well. What we want to do with that is we want to hook people in, get them thinking. Can we agree it's time to stop creating content that's really boring? Can we agree it's time to stop opening videos with hi, hello, and waving? Can we agree? So that's the first tip I want to teach you today, and the first way you're going to open your talks. Can we agree it's time to stop ... and start listening to Elliot? If you like it, share, comment. Bye.